In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily buy Bitcoin using Cash App, either one-time or reoccurring using the auto investing feature. To buy Bitcoin, start by opening and making sure that you're logged into your Cash App account. From the main menu here, just make sure that you're on the Money page by tapping the Money tab at the bottom. On this screen, you're going to see Buy Bitcoin next to Invest in Stocks. Tap the Bitcoin button. You can then scroll through the overview pages here if you want. Invest in the future of money, the fact that Bitcoin is limited and eventually will become rare, buy at your control, and then safety with high security encryption. When you're ready, tap Get Started. On this page, you're going to see some options that you can do now. You can buy, send, receive, and even deposit Bitcoin into your account. Since in this video we're just buying, there's really only two things that we care about though. The first is checking the current price of a single Bitcoin. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see price per Bitcoin. At the time of this video, that amount is $27,837. The cool thing about Bitcoin though is you don't need to buy that much. We can buy as much as we want, even as little as $1. Head back up to the top of the page though and then tap Buy. On the next screen, choose the amount that we want to buy. If you want to buy an amount other than what's listed though, tap the three dots here and then enter a custom amount. For right now, we're only going to be making a one-time order, so just leave the order type at the top one time. When you're ready, hit Next, and then on the next few pages, enter the info that Cash App requests. This can be your address, your legal name, your date of birth, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is all for security reasons and just confirming that it's you that set up the Cash App account. When you're done entering the info that it asks, you're going to see a summary of your Bitcoin purchase order. You'll see your funding source, the amount that you're going to be buying in Bitcoin, the current exchange rate of Bitcoin, any fees, and then the total cost at the bottom. After you go over everything and it looks good, hit confirm at the bottom to make your purchase. So that's how you buy a single time, but you can also set up a reoccurring auto investing purchase if you want to do that too. Head back to the screen where you enter the amount that you'd like to purchase, and here where it says by default one-time order, tap change order type. On the next screen, choose auto invest. Next, choose how often that you want to make an auto purchase. This can be daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. One thing to note though, when you do an auto invest option, the minimum has to be $10. So make your choice on how often you want to purchase and then hit done. And after that, just like before, choose the amount that you want to set up the purchases for and follow through the steps to confirm. And once you do confirm, your auto investments of Bitcoin will all be set up. And that's how you use Cash App to buy Bitcoin once or on an auto investing schedule.